To ushering the chief guest.
As a commission, we have said it. The profession must be respected. And the teachers and the head teachers must be respected. And anybody taking the law to his hands, we will not keep quiet. But the full force of the law will be upon that person. And therefore, as a commission, I want to reassure you, we are going to protect our head teachers, our deputies, our principals, and our teachers, so long as whatever they have done within the law. So whatever we have done so far, we are doing it to ensure that the credibility of the teaching profession is upheld by every Kenyan, and teachers must be given respect. It is very demeaning to see a head teacher being frog-marched when the pupils are looking. How do you expect the head teacher to manage those boys and girls later? Is it possible? So we are appealing to you members, because you are the parents in those schools and all over the country. We are appealing to everybody to ensure that the teachers are given their respect. If there are issues, we have the boards of management, we have other legal avenues that we are supposed to follow to ensure that the issues are addressed.
After the examination results are released, there are those parents who have issues with the school administration. Luckily in them, we don't have such an issue, but we have seen elsewhere in this country, there are those parents who are dragging teachers out of school. Shame on them.
Before mwalimu alitae, mwaka moja fiti yake yote yaangaliwe, ndio akilitaya. Na tukaongea na profesa, akakuja Senate, tukasema mwalimu wakati amemaliza miezi 3 pesa yake apatiwe.